In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple users to a Jotform account. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left menu, click Users. Click Create New User to start adding a team member. If you're using a free or lower tier plan, you'll need to upgrade to a Jotform Enterprise plan before you can add multiple users. If you have Enterprise access, enter the user's full name and email address. You can also add a job title if needed. Choose the appropriate user type, such as user or admin, depending on the level of access you want to provide. When you're finished, click Add User. An invitation will be sent to the email address you entered, allowing the user to join your Jotform account. That's how to add multiple users to a Jotform account. Thanks for watching.